Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kusnul Asyaifah, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Real Work Lecture in the Lombok Found Lifeless. Dwi Satane Laksabanah Putra, 90 years old, resident from the Selanggaran Bilando village, East Praya District, Central Lombok, was found dead. The Real Work Lecture was in Desan Grow Hamlet, Grow Mulia village, Suralaga District, East Lombok, on the Thursday. It's suspected that the student of the State Islamic University Mataram Real Work Lecture are assessment to the being tired. The second police inspector Bambang Supriyatno told the chronology of the discovery of the victim body. At around 5 a.m. the victim was found by the friend in the victim Ghaffar Hidayat. The victim was found sitting face down on the last, a bench made of bamboo, in the front ear, in the nose with a usual living from. After examining the cam spring and asking a statement from the witness, it was discovered and the victim attended a ghost 70 ceremony at the Selangara Sub-District Office. Then at 10 a.m., the witness and victim returned to the victim partner's house in the Central Lombok. After victim returned to the Central Lombok at around 3 p.m., the victim also had the time to futsal and a much activity in this village. At this house, we were living for the real work lecture post in Saragala. The victim had to sleep and told his friend to wake up him. The victim admitted that the find is because they have felt tired. At 6 p.m., the witness and wake up and prepared to return to East Lombok. Before leaving, the witness and the victim had to eat first at 6 p.m. and the victim and witness returned to the East Lombok. Arriving at the wood lecture past 7 p.m., the victim has rude while and cheating witness. However, at 5 morning, the witness was aboard the dawn prayer. Respond that the witness then called his friend Asma Watunaja to help him explain to fight them. The next news is Alfamart chocolate turf turns out to have a disease. Mariana Ahong, the lane Alfamart chocolate to be viral in the last few days, turned out the out disease because of the disease Mariana Ahong stole. A number of the scholars say the Mariana Ahong license cannot be caught. The fact-recreating and figure of the female Alfamart chocolate thief, Mariana Ahong. She was relieved from her family and her husband. As you know, Mariana Ahong mama was in a teen spotlight after being caught stealing chocolate at Alfamart Simpora Cisau to Tangerang on the Saturday, 13/8, 2022. Instead of the apologize, Mariana Ahong comes with a lawyer and charged Alfamart employer with the IT law. Finally, Alfamart also took a Hotman Paris and report to the police. Most recently, the Tangerang Police have adjutant to grip Police Commissioner Sally Soluse. In a press conference dedicated and look possible, Saliso said that the perpetrators had a habit of unknowingly pleading good. In fact, sadly, the perpetrator's family called an abnormality. Sally continued to complain that the report body finally agreed to make a pace after being separate understood each other a conditioner. After Alphamart that the report is willing to withdraw, the police report will not process it and the legal process. Sally said that the report party and complaint has met the Sultan Gerang Police headquarters. On some occasion, Ivana Valenza, daughter of the Mariana, apologized profusely. The next news is, National Police safely still seeking swinging slaggy at the palace. National, a child. Singer from the East Java, Farel Prayoga recently attracted and attention of netizens on social media. It is because the Farel managed to hit the stage palace with his voice. Even Farel Prayoga also managed to take the Investigas of prison stage palace dance because it has singing with the song Aten Ojo Dibandingke by Denny Cakar. As in know, Farel Prayoga was one signifying perform and Ivali's 77th anniversary or Independent Day of Republic of Indonesia. Farel Prayoga is known as the child singer who was born in Banyuwangi on August 8, 2010. Before he was viral on social media, Farel was a to-be stranger street. A student in Matt Wandra, a composer and singer from Banyuwangi. Farel was lighted up to the management of Wandra together with Wandra's management. Farel was successfully placed into the professional singer. Evenly, his voice able to attract attention of many people. When the little singer and has been work video circulating on social media, that the Farel seemed to be imposing by changing the lyric a little. Sadly, President Jokowi, who was originally singing along with Madelaw, the ranks of the Merdeka Palace were also immediately boisterous to hear it. But the most interesting is that even though to Matt improves it, he still managed to participate in the gas event. The First Lady, Iriana Joko Widodo, sway freely. As you know, recently is the Republic interest the case of Brigadier G's murder some time ago. The next news is, second, a 3-4 Bali is fired. The last information regarding to the moment of the murder of Nofriansah Yosua Huta Barat of Brigadier G was revealed by the Rooney Tapasi, Richard Eliezer, new attorney Perdingli Moro of Baradae. Brigadier G was mentioned in the possession process has was 30%. In the front, Inspector General Freddy Sambo at Baradae, as in now. In the incident was a local incident originating of the former head the professional and security division. Freddy Sambo at the police complex Duren 3, Pancoran, Jakarta on the Friday. Freddy Sambo was a scan of the crime must be seen and Brigadier did not risk for life. This is different from the confidence of the Baradae, which is relevant in former lawyer Diploma Yumara, because Diploma Yumara said the Brigadier rise and have about the head like a receipt person. Furthermore, Roddy did not reveal and the contact to minutes investigation. which was a part of strategy to defeat Baradae in controlled later country with Dilopa Yumarade. The next news is almost despair stuck in the fire. Fatoni, 30 years old, was almost fleeing in his travel in a foremost floor for a boarding that caught fire on Wednesday, 17 August 2022. The four-story boarding house live in location under Rudi Selatan Tambora District, West Jakarta. Fatoni admitted that he said the former Damayanti shooting his name, the fire broke out because at the time his sleeping woke up in a healing smoke at the burning building entered his room. When opened the door, he smartly surprised because the fire already in his room overburned and was covered in fire. Fatoni also had the time not knowing towards Trump because his stories could doing to the boarding house is touring by the Red Warrior. Fatoni escorted the room town to clothes but couldn't find why because there is one Iran terrorist confederating in Enterprise boarding house. Apparently, at the time Fatoni was alone looking forward and for his floor. The security finally was also flowing in footsteps. He stopped the act to make his neighbor house moving himself for the fire. Finally, for more matters, the boarding house arriving rooftop in overburned as ASO stopped police to open the door. The next news is deadly incident in Ngarum, Sragen. The fatal incident occurred on the Raya Street, Sragen, belong on Wednesday at around 8 p.m. To be precise, it happened at Tugu or Ngarum village, Ngrampai district, Sragen Regency. The incident involved to the motorcycle, namely Honda Patriot with license plate number and the Honda Vario. The Honda Patriot was driven by the Sigit Wibowo, 35 years old, a resident of the Guyungan Hamlet, Anggar Karisma Village, Jenawi District, Karanganyar Regency. Meanwhile, the Honda Vario was driven by the Muhammad Akbar, 70 years old, a resident Blimbingan Village, Sumberjo District, Sragen Regency. The head of the Gugukum in unit, the traffic unit, the Sragen Police Second Police Inspector Irwan Marianto, representing the traffic head of the Sragen Police, adjutant to the Police Commissioner Abi Praya Guntur said. The incident began with the Honda Patriot motorcycle was traveling from the west east and the Honda Vario. As a result in incident, the Honda Beat Street motorist died on the spot. The next news is Herwig Action Junior High School student in the PD climbed the flag pole. The Herwig Action carried out by the student climbing for the flagpole as a sick matters during a ceremony to the commemorate the 77th Independence Day of Republic of Indonesia at the Tri Mutiara Junior High School PD Regency on Wednesday. The student, namely Akhyar, 13 years old, agreed to study. In the video has been widely circulating on social media. Akhyar can be running from the ceremonial line to the flagpole. Arriving near to the pole, Akhyar terraced and climbed up to the pole. Davris Akhyar with the managed to the rise red flag and white flag. Then Akhayar came to the safety and immediately employed the principal of the Tri Muara Junior High School, Sumarni. For this action, the school gave a gift for the notebook and the cash to the Akhayar, with son of the farming family. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.